Hello, my name is Priscilla Kraut and I'm here to present LocFlex, which is a web application that I built as my final project for the Higher Diploma in Software Development. And I created LocFlex to solve a real problem that I face in my day-to-day work as a localization project manager. Basically, there's no localization specific tool for tracking linguists' availability and word count capacity. We usually use spreadsheets and other tools that don't meet all of our needs. So I created this application for linguists to log in their availability and for project managers to see the team's capacity before they assign tasks, which is very helpful. So in summary, this tool is targeted for small to medium localization teams. Let me just very quickly show you the project structure in VS Code, which is the tool that I used. So you can see the application has a three-tiered architecture, the backend, database, and front-end. And I've also started the servers here to save us time. So this is where the application is locally hosted, and this is the login screen. First, I'm going to show you how to register. So let me show you how to register linguist1. Let me say linguist1 here, and the password pass123, just to make it easier. And here I select the word either linguist or project manager, then you'll be directed to different dashboards based on the role. So linguist1, I registered successfully. Please log in. The credentials are here. Just need to hit login. So you can see there is no capacity settings found, no task assigned, no availability because I've just registered. So this is what the linguists can see. I'm also going to log my availability. So today is the 31st. It's midday. So let's say I'm available to work partially because it's the afternoon already. So I have the afternoon available to work. So I'm going to save my availability. And you can see the card here is instantly updated with my availability. But let me add a few more days. For example, on Monday, I'll be fully available, let's say, all day. You can add the note you want, of course, and it's optional. Again, instantly updated. Sorry, I added unavailable. That's fine. On Tuesday, then, I will be available all day. Save availability. Great. So now you can see all my availability for the next 3 business days, which is very handy and great. Okay, but for example, I am available all day on Tuesday, but how many words can I actually translate? Because this is very useful for the project manager. Even though I'll be available the whole day, he doesn't know how much I can take. So I'm going to set my word count capacity. Let's say I can translate 3,000 words per day, 15 per week. I work 5 times a week, 5 days a week. So capacity saved successfully. And you can see the capacity card here is updated. You can see this green banner saying that the workload was within capacity, of course, because my weekly capacity is 15,000 and I don't have any tasks assigned. So I'm going to log out and register as a project manager. Let me write PM here, project manager, locflex.com. Great. So pass123 and I'll select project manager and register. Successfully, that's great. Login. Okay, change your password. I will. So here I can instantly see the capacity of the linguist1 and also his availability for the next 3 business days, which is very handy for a project manager. If there were more linguists here, I could see other cards with their availability and capacity as well. And for project managers, this is amazing because if I have a task to be assigned, I know who can take that task immediately. All right, so let's pretend we are going to assign a task. You can select the linguist here in the drop-down menu. So far, you only have one, but if there are more, you would see their names here. And let's say the task is to translate a landing page. And the word count is, I don't know, let's see. So I know that on Tuesday he will be available all day and he can translate 3,000 words a day. So he could probably, and partially on today, so he could probably take, sorry, I'm doing the math here. I'm going to actually show you something. I'm going to exceed their capacity. So I'm going to assign 16,000 words, which will take probably, I don't know, 30 hours. And this is for Tuesday. Okay, so this is the task I had to assign tasks. The task was successfully assigned. So I'm going to log out and show you how that looks for the linguist1. Pass123. See, You can see the task was indeed assigned, and there is a red banner here saying that the workload has exceeded capacity because their capacity is 15,000 and and the project manager has assigned more than he can handle. So this is very handy because the linguist can immediately see that he will not be able to do that. Oh yeah, then I guess that's it. Uh, there is still a lot of limitations and improvements that I will be glad to work on. I actually intend to use this tool myself in my work because I really think it fills a gap in the localization industry. So I hope you like the application. Of course, there is more information on GitHub and also on my report. And thank you so much for watching.